Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish leather. First, gather your fish skins, ensuring they are fresh or properly preserved. Next, you'll need a few basic tools like a dull knife or spoon for scraping and various tanning agents. We'll cover the initial cleaning and descaling, which are crucial steps for a successful outcome. This guide will walk you through each stage, making the process clear and manageable for beginners. Preparing the fish skin correctly is vital for quality leather. Begin by carefully scraping off all scales and any remaining flesh or fat from the inside of the skin. A dull knife or spoon works best to avoid tearing. After scraping, rinse the skin under cold water until it's completely clean. If you can't process the skin right away, a salt cure can preserve it for later use, preventing spoilage and ensuring a good starting point. Once cleaned, the skin is ready for tanning, which transforms it into durable leather. Submerge the skin in your chosen tanning solution, such as a vegetable tan or a brain tan, for the recommended duration, often several days. Agitate the skin periodically to ensure the solution penetrates evenly. After tanning, rinse and dry the skin. The final step involves working and stretching the dried leather repeatedly to break down fibers and achieve a soft, pliable texture. To complete your fish leather, apply a conditioning oil or wax to protect it and enhance its appearance. This step helps maintain its flexibility and prevents cracking over time. Proper storage is key. Keep your finished leather in a cool, dry environment away from direct sunlight to preserve its quality for years. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your unique, handmade fish leather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.